Agra, the home of the Taj Mahal. It's also a flourishing city of some 1.7 million people. The need for reliable power here in India, both in Agra and the country as a whole, has never been higher. At this converter station just outside town, engineers are feeding fresh power straight into the national grid. To make sure the country has a stable supply of electricity, it's essential to harness power generated all across India. And that's exactly what ABB's new high-power cross-country link does by bringing in a huge amount of clean hydroelectricity all the way from the other end of the country.
India is a vast country, developing one. It's the second largest populous country in the world. And energy demand is increasing. And on top of that, the electric energy is even going further up. So we need to do everything so that we are able to meet the demand of the growing population. And such kind of a project which are bringing large amount of power in a more efficient way is really helpful for the economy of the country and the people of the country.
Agra lies at one end of a new electricity superhighway, an HVDC link that reaches 1,700 kilometres to the state of Assam in India's far northeast. Here, on the edge of the jungle, ABB is turning locally generated AC power into direct current and doubling the voltage. It's this high voltage direct current technology, pioneered by ABB some 60 years ago, that makes it possible to send the power across such vast distances with minimal losses and a reduced need for pylons and other infrastructure. That means India can send local power enough to serve 90 million of its citizens to where it's needed most.
There's a lot of resources in the rivers that connects to Brahmaputra River, which is close to this site. And they are planning to construct a lot of hydropower plants in the future. And this project is then to take that power and supply it where it's needed. And right now the need is not much up here, the need is great in the central part of India.
This isn't the first HVDC link ABB has built in India. There's now 5 projects across the country strengthening the national grid. With India set to overtake China by 2030 as the most populous nation on Earth, these superhighways mean it's ready to supply its booming population with stable and reliable power from one end of the country to the other.